at an African proverb which is, for the beauty of the rose, we also water the thorns. Let me laugh together with you people. Yes, the quote is, the proverb is funny and it's tricky. I really love African proverbs. It reminds me of quite a lot of things. It is mostly funny, but on the other hand, they're full of lessons. A big crowd like you have a lot of experience in life that you need to consider yourselves as a brave people. But one thing you must know, not all the people seated down there are good. The bad ones are also seated down there. They want to get the information from the people who come to take it or leave it short, and they will use the information to do bad things. The information that we pass out here on the take it or leave it daily show are going to be used to do good things, but also some people will use it to do bad things. And we laugh together once again. So, even though bad people are also listening, benefiting from my speech, I would like you people to know that the only reason as to why I come here to stand and speak is for the good and for the choice of the good people. So even if the bad ones get information, the good ones are also here who will get information and do the good. The good ones are the roses, and the bad ones are the thorns or the weeds. So I'm sorry to say that, but one day we're going to weed the weeds. I'm not pointing at you that you're a weed, but you could be rose, you could be weed, depending on your character. So what does this one mean to us? It means we don't have to stop doing good just because the bad people are there. You cannot go to Uganda and tell the northerners that you are all coin people, or you are all bad, so you don't deserve to be loved, or you don't deserve government service, or you don't deserve any assistance. You would be wrong. You still need to help the people. You cannot hear that Saddam Hussein, Gaddafi, and also Osama bin Laden came from Muslim or came from Arabic world. Then you say all Arabs are bad, all Muslims are bad. No, you don't generalize. In general, this African proverb teaches us not to generalize people. So, much as those key bad people came from them, the majority are good people. The majority of the Muslims are good people. I'm not defending anything here. It's just an example. I know religions like touching people out. So, we need to do this, guys. Let's not generalize. Let's make sure we pour water in the rose, even though there are thorns in which Are we together? Together?